started?
Nice butt view.
Thank you.
Yo! I'm busy! We now have a lump in the bed. No, cover him up.
Look under, I need to make my bed.
Sydney, will you take some of this banana bread to Kristen?
Okay.
Maybe take her a little bit.
There's a nice lump. That's moving apparently.
Ow. Owl. Is it kitten or Bella?
It's a kid.
Kitten.
It's Rocky.
You want me to heat up something
He's
or make
laying
you a
around on the
sandwich,
back.
Sydney?
That's like a tomato sandwich.
Thanks.
Yeah.
He's going insane!
He got me.
Oh, it's blurry. How do I get to focus? There we go. Oh, it's adorable. Okay, it's blurry again. Does it take you 5 minutes to make up your bed?
And a little kitten it does.
You're just gonna have to unmake it once you make it.
No, I think it'll work.
He's gonna eat it.
Oops, I have mine completely the wrong way.
He's gonna tear your sheet. I take that back. He already has torn your sheet. Can I stop videoing now?
No, not yet.
My hand's going to sleep.
Well, you. Come on.
My hand's asleep. It's tingly. It burns.
Move your hand.
I can't, otherwise the camera will fall. Ah, sweet relief. Rawr! There's his head, and then there's his tail.
Hold it. I'm gonna take him out.
Oh! There he is. My kitty!